we need to factor this one into two separate binomials. Well, and this one's a little bit different from what we've done in the past because we have two variables. We've got an m and an n. Okay, but we're going to treat it pretty much the same as what we've done in the past, okay? The only real thing is here, I'm going to switch these two out of order. Okay, traditional order is m, then n. But this one I'm going to put it out of order, and there's a reason behind that. So if we do just a normal one, if we pretended the n's weren't there at all, the normal one would be we need two numbers that multiply together to give us c, but add together to give us b. Okay, so it needs to multiply together to equal c, and c in this case is negative 30n squared. Okay, b is negative 7n. That's the big difference here. Okay, it's not just a number, it's a number and letters. Okay, so we've got negative 30n squared, that's my c, negative 7n. Okay, so we're not including the m because that's part of our first one. Okay, so this is going to be our coefficient on this one. So I need two numbers that multiply together to give me negative 30n squared, but add together to give me negative 7n. Well, here are all my factors of negative 30n. Not quite all of them, but we got enough of them on there. And we have to look at these and we say, okay, which one of these two is going to add together to give me negative 7n? Okay, we can kind of go through each one of these here. Let's see, 6 times 5, no, that doesn't work. Negative 3, and, 3 and negative 10. Work out perfect, okay? So, and I just took that right off of right here, negative 10n and 3n. So the difference is instead of just being two numbers, there's actually a number and a letter, a variable next to it. All right, well, these are the ones that work. So now what we're going to do is bring in, we know it's going to be m. Okay, m in the first one. And this one is 3n. We'll write that just right here, positive 3n, and then negative 10n. Positive 3n, negative 10n, and that's it. So we're going to treat them the same. You write down two numbers, two components that multiply together to give you negative 30n, but add together to give you negative 7n, and that was 3n and negative 10n. Then I just kind of fill those in just like I did with normal factoring.